Okay, here's some pictures of Michael Brown. Before he graduated from high school. Here he is with his little sister, I think, little brother. Here he is again, friends. This is Michael Brown. And here he is sitting out on the front porch. And here's a picture, kind of a bunch of pictures all together. Okay, that's pictures of Michael Brown. That's the Michael Brown that just got shot.
In Capper Creek, I don't know who called it in. It was called into my desk. Okay, 2190. Be advised, this information came from the news, so don't know. Yeah, any further. Absolutely. Can I have another car go to Canfield and Capper Creek? 21. 21 clear. 702. Just Darcy, we're just getting the information from the news, and we just called Ferguson back again, and they don't know anything about it, so.
Of course.
Well, there you go, friends. That was the dispatch getting a call. They found out on the news that this incident happened, and Ferguson never called in the incident of the shooting of this Mike Brown. So they, right in the beginning, were covering this up. So we'll just continue with looking at what we can find on this, on the Mike Brown shooting. Thank you, friends. Bye-bye. Hey, friends, here's a word from Dorian Johnson, Michael Brown's friend, of what happened on that incident. Here we go. Let's hear what he's got to say. Let me get this started here. Let me start this video.
In the middle of the street, and we wasn't causing any harm to nobody. We had no weapons on us at all. We just walking, having a conversation. No cars were blowing at us or honking at us like we was holding up traffic or anything like that. Now, a police officer squad car pulled up, and when he pulled up, these was his exact words. He said, "Get the F on the sidewalk." And we told the officer we was not but a minute away from our destination, and we would shortly be out the street. We was having a conversation, and he went about his way for about 1 or 2 seconds as we continued to walk, and then he reversed his truck, his car, and in a manner to where it almost hit us, and it blocked both lanes off the way he turned his car. So he pulled up on the side of us. He tried to thrust his door open, but we were so close to it that it ricocheted off us and it bounced back to him. And I guess that, you know, got him a little upset. And at that time, he reached out the window. He didn't get out the car. He just reached his arm out the window and grabbed my friend around his neck and was trying to, as he was trying to choke my friend. And he was trying to get away, and the officer then reached out and he grabbed his arm to pull him into the car. So now it's like the officer's pulling him inside the car. He's trying to pull away, and at no time the officer said that he was going to do anything until he pulled out his weapon. His weapon was drawn, and he said, "I'll shoot you," or "I'm going to shoot." And in the same moment, the first shot went off, and we looked at him. He was shot, and there was blood coming from him, and we took off running. And as we took off running, I ducked and hid for my life because I was feared for my life, and I hid by the first car that I saw. My friend, he kept running, and he told me to keep running because he feared for me too. So as he was running, the officer was trying to get out of the car, and once he got out the car, he pursued my friend, but his weapon was drawn. Now, he didn't see any weapon drawn at him or anything like that, us going for no weapon. His weapon was already drawn when he got out the car. He shot again, and once my friend felt that shot, he turned around and he put his hands in the air, and he started to get down, but the officer still approached with his weapon drawn, and he fired several more shots, and my friend died.
Killed him for no reason. Everybody live from Ferguson. They just killed this nigga for no reason.
For no fucking reason. That make no motherfucking sense. Ain't nobody take over this motherfucker. I'm finna move. I'm breaking my motherfucking lease. Fuck this. away for no motherfucking reason. You heard. She talking about some neglectful fireworks.
I heard now. Them ain't not this time of the day. When no fireworks is heard.
I'm in the bathroom in the shower. You not finna
What he do? What dude do?
Do you see a knife? Do you see anything that would have caused a threat to these motherfucking police officers? They shot that boy because they wanted to shoot that boy.
Wait, hold on, what?
Wait a
minute, they just killed dude
in the middle of the motherfucking street.
That's why they ass be killed now. That's why
What's up, Steve?
they have no reason. That's why they ass getting hot now.
I'm gonna call this shit in. This is ridiculous. You can't even be black and walk around this motherfucking neighborhood. Boy, ain't did shit. He dressed up out of them people's house, so how you do that?
Because we gonna go out together.
Man, he dead as a motherfucker.
Right,
Mama. Mama.
Dead body in the street. Ferguson clown killed this nigga for no reason. Fucked up around here, man. Come detective, come homicide pulling up. Homicide pulling up. Just say I got this shit taped off. I heard the gunshots came outside my phone. Ass nigga laying in the middle of the street dead. Brains all on the motherfucking street. I wish I could zoom this motherfucker in. I ain't gonna cost this yellow tape, this gun line, boss.
Ain't right. Ain't right they killed that boy. Ain't right at all.
Fucked up around here.
Somebody needs to go to jail for that killing. Is that his dad? That is, oh my. Is that his dad they're chasing off?
That's his son, man.
Chase his daddy off.
That man dead, man. He dead. He dead, cuz. See what shit you get to see fucking with me. Fucked up, man.
It ain't right.
They said he had his hands up and everything, man.
He was trying to get at him.
I don't know. I wasn't out. I just heard the gunshot.
I heard the gunshots from all around. Stay all the way up there.
I knew something happened. It's too early in the day.
Who is the? Do he stay here?
No, it was daddy right there, man. His daddy just tried to go there and they grabbed him. They had him in that black t-shirt police talking to. And that's his auntie right there on the phone. And them screws. This lousy motherfucker. Yeah, boy, that's dirty that shit, man. That's a dirty motherfucker. I saw the car. That's fucked up, man. That's fucked up, dog. He gone, dog. Yeah, he gone. He gone. He gone. He stood over him and yeah, and shot him some more when he was on the ground. Yeah, that's what they said. Shot him some more while he was on the ground. Killed him, yeah. Say he had his hands up and everything, they still shot him. He fell on the ground, they stood over him, shot him some more. They just got him laying in the street dead as a motherfucker. They just got him laying here. This shit is like unreal. I got to eat.
Police kept dumping him. I'm thinking that the police missing. Like, he's like,
Lord rest his soul. He gone.
his fault from dumping
That
him.
go with mama, I guess.
Police fired shots. Next thing I know, I think he missing. The police shot him. Next thing I know, I think he missing. He started running, kept coming to us.
Police did.
Police shot him.
I don't know. You can get out on this side down now. It's over.
They go all the way around.
Yeah, you go around that way.
Did the police shoot this boy for real, man?
Yeah, police shot him, man. Police did it.
Are you fucking serious, man? The police killed this boy? Because I'm telling you, I heard like 8 shots. It was like 4, and then it was like 4 more. It was like pop, and stop for a minute. Police shot. How many times you heard that? Police was like, at least 10 yards away from me. And I'm thinking, the dude was still standing. I'm thinking, listen. They kept coming towards me. He put up on him. I guess they didn't go about running. Because I'm telling his partner ran through. What's up, man? His partner ran through here, man. I thought it was a nigga dumping at him or something. That's the police did this shit. They know he dead because they ain't even trying to give him
He gone.
They ain't trying to give him the EMS going back to the
She finna come make us move and shit, I guess.
What did he do?
Fuck Charlie, man. Shit there. That man dead.
They gonna cover him up.
On that white sheet.
They gonna cover him up now. Been laying out there forever. No respect.